Greetings, Multiverse. Let's talk about aliens today. Given the science fiction culture and the modern space age revolutions, the term alien is now a household term. All of us, at some point, must have imagined about these extraterrestrial creatures. But is their existence really so easy to believe? What are the chances of them being in our galaxy? Let's find out. In the 1950s, scientists began to take interest in the prospect of aliens. The universe is very, very large. In such a sample size, the chances of finding anything is good enough. And so, the existence of these extraterrestrial organisms seemed to be quite possible. But before they put their time and money into it, the scientists tried to get a quantitative estimate of the possibility of aliens. This happened at the Green Bank Conference in 1961. This is when SETI began, which stands for Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. We would like to find the number of planets in our own galaxy that currently have aliens inhabiting them. It really sounds interesting, doesn't it? Can we do it? Let's try it out. This is called the Drake's equation. If I told you that intelligent civilizations, after getting intelligent, get wiped out in a span of 5 million years, and that for any star born, if it has to get an intelligent civilization, it gets it in a time of 50 million years, then which stars of the galaxy would you look the aliens for? You would look at such stars which were born 50 million to 55 million years ago. Any newer, the star cannot have intelligent life as yet, and any older, the life would have wiped itself out, if there was any. So we will look at those stars born in that 5 million year period, the period of an intelligent life form. It can be simply obtained by multiplying the rate of star formation in our galaxy with the time period of an intelligent life form, which was 5 million years in our example. The Drake's equation has this term of the number of stars to look for. The rest is pretty easy. We have the number of stars, we will now multiply it with the average number of planets in each such star to get the number of planets to look for. Now we need to make sure that there is intelligent life on them. We'll use 3 probabilities and multiply with them the number we had to get going. The first one is given a planet, the chance of it being in a habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone. This is the zone around a star where temperatures are such that water can exist in a liquid form. Next is the probability of emergence of intelligent life on any such planet. And the last one is, given such an intelligent life form, the chances of it developing the technology. We are now done. The first and the last probabilities are good enough, but we cannot say anything about the probability of life. Putting in the numbers, we expect a very good enough number of civilizations. Given the star formation rate of our galaxy is 1 star per year, which is quite good, and almost every star has planets. But we haven't had any success worth mentioning in our efforts in SETI. Is it trying to suggest some deeper truths about life in the universe? Probably, life is a very rare event that took place on our planet Earth out of sheer luck. After all, it took 3.7 billion years to make it happen, which is more than 1/4 of the life of the universe. Aren't you feeling very lucky? Anyways, it's also very possible that intelligent species are very good at eliminating themselves. It looks like the factors like population growth and pollution quickly wipe them out. So how much is human life left on Earth? Probably not as long as you would like. Maybe the next 1,000 years or so. Only time can tell. But please, give these things a little thought. And thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you liked the video and subscribe for a weekly dose of science and knowledge.